video, we will learn how to create templates in Whatsboost. So, when you log in, you'll get this kind of dashboard. You have to then scroll down from the left side menu to templates and click on add new to create a new template. So, first of all, it will ask you to put in the template name. It could be first message, right? Then you can select the category. If it's some marketing message, you can put in the marketing category or in the utility uh, category or authentication category. So we recommend to put it in the utility or marketing. Okay, then your language should be English US. Okay, in the text, then you can select the template type. It could be text only, media only, list message, poll message, or location. Text message, you can put it the template body, hello, and template footer is optional here. If we want to add the buttons in the text message, you can simply uh, type the quick reply button or URL button or phone button and click on create template. It will generate the template with text and with buttons. If you remove all this, it will just generate the text only message. Let's assume you want to create a media message. Then it will ask you to put in the media file, put in the template body. Again, footer could be optional, it's up to you. Again, template buttons you can add, quick reply, URL, and phone button. And if you just don't want buttons, you just deselect everything and add the media file and template body only and click on create template. Then it will be a media with text. List message is also similar. Okay, you can add the list sections, section 1 and options. Row description are optional. It's up to you. You can fill it or not. Okay, these are the mandatory fields. And list button text is also mandatory field, which is choose one, choose two, or choose from the list, something like that. And again, poll message. In the poll message option, now we have included more than, like, you can add multiple polls now, even up to 10, I guess, right? And you can also request user to allow multiple answers once you create the question with the options. And in the location, if you want to send the location, you can put in the uh, use current location, which is your current laptop location, it will fetch. Or you can put in the latitude and longitude. And if you want the official API approval, you just click this button and it will be approved for the official API approved. So that's how you can create templates in Whatsboost. And thank you so much.